The phone information in the description is in English and Hindi. iPhone 12 smartphone was launched on the 13th of October 2020. The phone comes with a 6.10-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1170 by 2532 pixels at a pixel density of 460 pixels per inch. The iPhone 12 supports wireless charging as well as proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the iPhone 12 on the rear packs a 12-megapixel primary camera with an f1.6 aperture and a second 12-megapixel camera with an f2.4 aperture. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It sports a 12-megapixel camera on the front for selfies with an f2.2 aperture. iPhone 12 based on iOS 14 and packs 64 GB of inbuilt storage. The iPhone 12 is a dual-SIM, GSM and GSM smartphone that accepts Nano-SIM and eSIM cards. It was launched in black, blue, green, red, and white colors. It features an IP68 rating for dust and water protection. Connectivity options on the iPhone 12 include Wi-Fi 802.11, GPS, Bluetooth V5.00, NFC, Lightning, 3G, and 4G. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, barometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and compass magnetometer. The iPhone 12 supports Face Unlock with 3D face recognition. As of the 16th of October 2020, iPhone 12 price in India starts at 79,900 rupees. Like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.